say Afia bebre etwa mu nie say ba no music industry no mu a ene Bulldog ene Shatta Wale de na ama ye say ba fine eno fom baako enko enja baako nanse na amonsem eba media no so chese beef bi ewo omuntem a court nsem ni na eba mu abusuafo ene ameno mo eka say 2 days ago Shatta Wale ekopie mu ewo Angel FM ewo Kumase na eno na host no ebisan nsem bi a efa oni ni Bulldog na mwaya ode baye ne de chese na enye de na ne chia Bulldog nso ekopie mu ewo Het FM ono nso ene ne nsem ebetudwa efa Shatta Wale hu na ebusuafo wei ena Shatta Wale enhu ya chese ne bu efu ye ankasa a oye video chese oye live video chese otutu bi ema Bulldog ankasa chese nsem ne de edoso na mintimi enkanini na mesre se ye behwe ana ye betie nsam a Shatta Wale ede bae
Bulldog and Kwasi Aboagye, make I tell you something. Unless you put a grader, you see that court there? I'm not going to even step foot for that fucking court there. Because the judges for that, they get important things to think about. The lawyers where you go take, they get important things to think about. I don't have time for this kind of nonsense. The evidence is online. The system can check that out. And see how many times you people have defamed me on this fucking social media we did. They if me do, then you won't go court. Go waste judging time. Make us see how they go do one. Bro, I say like we will die, like you guys will see my blood for the first time. Cause that's a day my place. You Bulldog, I know I should say, come release my track list put out there. Project where I suffer, where I do one. You come release and put out there. You there on PCM Hit FM with your stupid colleagues. They talk say me and the do go you got cut your mother. Bulldog, your mother. I will give you 1 week for you to give me my $30,000. We are giving from Canada Cardi B show. I give another $30,000 for that guy. Where from South Africa, we can give me $50,000. I say Bulldog, take $30,000 and move to East Lagos and come stay my side. I can't remember how much money I give you, Bulldog. And my Sonata, I give you in good shape. As your mother died, I give you money plus my car. As you did there, you don't get car. I was so Bulldog. Then keep this Sonata and take the rounds. You won't show me say you get power. Your mother. Bring any judge and lawyer, make they can't come say the media can't cut you. Your mother. Kwasia. You visit the judges and lawyers, they don't get things doing. Kwasia, because your house there close to the court. So if you say even anything, if you walk with it, Kwasia, we take one uncle, Koshe, or go to Juma, no, they are just scam on the back. True. Or if you say with fear anybody for you. If you say with fear anybody for you. Like as the system, they don't say you put it talk stupidly about me on the internet. You're modest. Make us see who say the man. Make us show you're modest. See ya. Who can say show people country now? I go say about how many things you don't talk. You go take letters with the sue. If you're Schwarzenegger and Shatta Wale, because they did on social media where they talk about you where it no be true. So it be defamation. I go say about they be a class MBA. But sometimes they pay me when people see me several times say, oh, but what despite do? So despite, you know, the physics say this guy, he be foolish guy. That's why, don't say this guy be foolish guy. Oh, that's why you put the sister be small boy. That's why that go past your kiddies. So all your kiddies, so I go past them. I be my senior brother. So when I talk, not be same man be musician, so you go see me. I be big man for where I be. I be big man. I go keep someone like that for a radio station. And it defend, it tarnish my image, my brand and everything. I don't even try to take and go court. Because if I take a question about you go court, what at all I go get for inside? Me, if I take someone to go court, I won't get money. So what at all I will get for Kwasi Aboagye? Kwasi Aboagye, if I take contractors, maybe come. You probably not see Shatta Wale well before. But I say like I go die for him. Oh, I be with the Ghana. Make nobody advise anybody. They can't get election here. And you probably do this nonsense thing. Say they can't go court. Where election here, the country hurts like this. Do people first, but me say first, bad man. Like if it is December where I go create my own political party. You're modest. This stupid woman Salima. See the things they talk. You don't say, oh, you be information. No old man for this country. The VC say, oh no. Why are you doing that to Shatta? Why? But when Shatta can say, Salima, Juma me true muru papa chomu. Then one day somebody go talk say, "Munya mu chabu baku. Mo chimi. Mo amini mu papa no. Ah mama, o man bob right no more mama nyansa. You this time I take you go cut how much I will get. It waste of time, waste of life, my nigga. All you this boy you do is if I take you cut how much I go get. Say they go write letter and talk say stop talking about that be your modest. Your modest, Right now, say we're gonna beat you. Make we see who say the police or president or soldier. Or when they can't catch that Wale, because if you don't go judge me, God go judge you poor. Because people they see these things on the internet. You don't stop this people. Because if they wake up and they say they can't court, make us see somebody with mortar and he fought that. Come go time say you can't go court. I said like blood go poor. Bro. Make nobody can fool with me for you. Make nobody can play with me for you at all. Make nobody can play. When the day my radio stations where they insult me. And you Bulldog, I tell you, if you bring them a Sonata and that was $60,000, you go bring them. You go bring them. See ya? Boy. Leaders like we don't get leaders for here. When they find out the truth, say, I say now Shatta no, why na here no first? Why mo na mo sat someone hano? See ya? If you say court there for foolishness, boy. People step on me too much, I know even man. But say boy something they want to court scare me. I go court out tire. No be court go take scare me. If go take scare me, find crocodile and lion. That what go take scare me. Court. Like you can't take me greater. Me I don't get time to go and take lawyer. Nonsense case studies I go take lawyer. Cause they make they pay lawyer. Make lawyer can go court with me. A boy. What Jimmy Papa? Cause lazy men who don't know how to look for money. So it's only nonsense things, time wasters, idle minds, foolish people. A boy. If you let you know they can do make it, but I don't want to think. The person they vote for now, I don't want to think. I get them for mine, but I won't think. Cause a Bulldog. Your mother again. Take this one, go court. Your mother. See ya? If I come where they insult people, where they go, Shatta, they insult, you have to bring it down. They insult. Master, I'm tired with that fucking life. I won't listen to anybody again because I say, you yourself, you know they find a problem before they can. But if you go advise yourself. You nobody for advising for this country inside. If you say the music I do, the money I get, it be Ghana government where they give me. A boy. Everything they online. Mother. See ya. This is my mother. Like make people go bed because I won't show you people something. I won't make think of us soon. If you this is I will come out with them soon for them. My fans from today start by Kwasi Aboagye in things or put up on internet. Make the judges, they all get phones. The lawyers, they my lawyers. They all get phones. Whether they watch for internet, see ya. Like me, I wake up now where I go start something. Bulldog. Oh, dollar no nya dunya. Bulldog, that money where I give you for Cardi B show, they pay me $100,000. I give you $30,000. Say take change car. You chop the money. That money I need them. The next one be the one Seidu, the guy from South Africa. Can give me $50,000. He transfer that money into your account. Where I tell you say, give me 20 and take $30,000. Bulldog, your mother. And the car where I give you, the Sonata where I give you, bring her. Do you know what I talk?
Shatta Wale said, Bulldog, in the $60,000, a car or use to see ano, a car Bulldog, a use to see an or no Shatta Wale, or no a demand. Now, no dear, so our friend or court dear, on forgetting a nya dear or beba, or palm for caterpillar and best son uncle, or no dear court and nya dear obese ho. Now Bulldog and funny $60,000 and Brenner, and no and any Nisika and kitten a one ho. I was young for yen story for a Shatta and Bulldog one. Ya the bedroom, aha attention TV. Meeting Eddie Fatima, Macram.